Okay, today I'm going to teach you how to make a duct tape rose pen. See, it looks like this. Pretty cool. See, it's a pen. Just pop off the top and write with it. Okay, so let's get started. For this tutorial, you're going to need two different colors of duct tape. I'm using the red for the rose color and then the green for the stem. And then you're also going to need a marker of some kind, and a pen, doesn't matter what kind, and scissors. Okay, let's get started. So first, you need to take your pen and your marker and get out the marker, and then you need to draw a line under the pen cap so you know where to put the stem, so the stem can fit on there. It's kind of hard to see. Just kind of trace under that when you're done. Looks like that. Yeah, okay. And then you're going to take the color that you're going to use for the stem, which I'm using green. Okay, just wait a sec. And then kind of rip it out to the length of from the bottom of the pen to where you just, did your line. And so you just rip that. Doesn't matter if it's too long. And then you're just going to take the green and line it up with the line. Just crease it all the way down and then just roll it. Like that, really tightly. So it's like that. Doesn't matter if it's too long, you just kind of pinch it and I guess you can cut it a little, trim it. Doesn't really matter. Like that. Okay. And then you're going to take the red, or whatever color you're using for the rose part. You're going to cut or rip like 3 inches, kind of like this. And then you're going to fold it like this, kind of like a triangle. And you're just going to do that on the other side. Doesn't matter what it looks like, really. And then, if you want to make it more realistic, then you kind of round it off and just cut it so it's more round, kind of like that. It's kind of bad, actually. There, it's better. Let me get that off. And then you're going to take the bottom part of your pen, like this, and then you're just going to line it up, kind of, and just roll it around, like for the bud of a rose, so that it looks like that. Oops, it's not sticky enough. Oh well, whatever. It doesn't really matter. And then you're going to take another one. You're going to make another one. Just do the same thing. Cut that out. Again, make it pointy. That, like a triangle. And then if you want to make it realistic, just round it off. Then, to make it look like a rose, you kind of need to take it and kind of pinch the bottom so that it's not like all smushed, so it looks more like to form the bud, kind of like that. See how it's kind of around? And then you're just going to keep taking this. I already have these pre-made, and you just, again, cut it out or rip it out, and then just fold it and then round it off. And you just continue to put this around. Like, what I like to do is to make it even. I just did it on this side, so I'm going to do it on the opposite side. So I'm just going to kind of pinch that so it makes it more like a bud, and make it so it looks like that. And then I'm just going to take another one, I guess, and rip it out and fold it, triangle, and then just round it off like that. And then, since I did it on this side, then I'm going to probably do it on this side just to make it look nice. Kind of take some thought on where to do the bud. You just kind of like that, so that looks like that. And then you just take another one, and I'm going to do it on this side. And just again, put it and kind of pinch it the bottom so it kind of goes up. Make it more volume, I guess. And just kind of put it down. And then you're just going to keep continuing this until you have as much as you need, until you want your rose to be done. I usually do 12 or 13 of them on average. You can do more or less if you want. But you don't want to make them too big because then it's too much weight when you're writing. See, it looks like that. It's a little big, and I'm just going to do it, I guess, on this side. Just keep doing that. Ooh, that looks, yeah, see, looks like that. You can see your rose is starting to kind of form. Just gonna do it on this side. See, just pinch it. See, pinch it so it's kind of folded. Just kind of move it around until you get it to where you want. And if there's stuff on the bottom like this, I just pinch it at the bottom so it kind of makes it look more like a rose. That one's kind of big. Doesn't matter really. Okay, and then just take more, you know, same old stuff, and just pinch. Oops. Like that. Okay. Just pinch it and kind of make it go like that. So move it around kind of with your hand. And it should almost be done, I guess. See, it's starting to get big. It's kind of ugly actually, but whatever. It's my first tutorial, so I'm just kind of learning. I actually learned how to do this off of 2 different YouTube videos, so it's kind of cool. Just pinch it like that. Then I'm just going to do probably one more right there, or 2, depends. And then just finish it off. I guess that looks good. And there's the rose. And if you want to make it look even more realistic, if you want, I didn't really do it on this one, but you can cut out like a grass shape and then just put it on the bottom so it looks more like a stem. But I have one left, so I'm just going to put it somewhere. I guess I'll just stick it right here. Oh, wait, that doesn't look good. I'll stick it right here. And there's your pen, Rose. Looks pretty awesome. Yep. The cap on it. This isn't the cap. Oh, here it is. And then just stick it here. There's your rose pen. Bye.